Hello guys and welcome back to another Roblox video. Today I am in my town and it is a very nice day. So I'm just gonna go inside my tiny house and I'm kind of, well, wait, I need to see my health. Hello, health? Oh, well, I am clean and also great. So, I'm kind of, well, sleepy. So, I'm going to go and get into my pajamas. I'm going to buy an outfit. So, let me buy an outfit. So, choose outfit name. B A E. Okay, I just want to call it a random name. So, Bay is going to be Can I buy this with this? No. I don't like that. I don't like that. Take. Which one? Long pasta. Long pasta? Sure, yeah. Why can't I do this? Then clothing, default pants. Default pants! And also you. Default you. Why is this going? I want to get some. Yes, you. Right here. This is going to be my big tower. My outfit. Rear outfit. Back. I am super tired, but before I go ahead and, well, go to bed, I'm gonna go write my book. If you guys didn't know, I love writing. Why can't I want to turn this? Turn it. Okay. I want to play hip hop. Why is it going on? Okay, beginning. Can I play that? What's the begin? No! No music. Let's just do that. Let's see. Let's, write my book. Book. Oh. Write book. This is not working. Sit. Write book. Okay, good. So you can see that I'm right. Okay, whoever's out there, please quiet down. Thank you. Okay. Hey, so, can you be my child? I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. I don't really really like it whenever it's in first person sometimes. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. So, yeah. Just gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. Brush my teeth! Thank you. Just brushing my teeth. Brushing my teeth. Brushing my teeth. Just brushing my teeth here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be done with that. And I'm gonna close. Die! No thanks. I have my book. No, no. Whew, I accidentally hit yes 3 times and it was lagging. I'm glad it was lagging. You know, I guess that Emily. Well, I'm gonna take a quick meal. I'm gonna make some hot chocolate because I mean it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and heat this. Oh. Heat up. Can I heat it up? Where do I heat up at? Oh, I think I know where I need a microwave. I need a microwave. Why didn't I think of that? Why? So, guys, did I tell you, since I moved out of my house today, my mom's pregnant with a baby brother. I have 2 sisters, but I'm the little child. Right here. So, yeah, it's awesome. Instead of making hot chocolate, I just paid something for nothing. I should get, grape juice, orange juice, toast, no, a strawberry milkshake, vanilla, sugar smoothie, box tart, yogurt. I'm gonna, mac and cheese. 2? Are you serious? Are you serious? More. Take a quick meal. I'm gonna go to more. I'm gonna get some yogurt. I'm just gonna eat this. Okay. Turn on. My jam. Watch. It's done. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Woo! Yeah. Okay, let's just turn that off. Turn it off. Well, I'm actually really sleepy. I'm just gonna go to bed early and wake up really early to close this. Turn this off and I'm gonna sleep. And my nighttime wear. I'm so tired. It's really early. It is 3:08 a.m. in the morning. It's like really early. I'm gonna go ahead and get some early breakfast. I'm gonna make a smoothie. Take quick meal. More super smoothie. Gonna blend this. Okay, here's my breakfast. I get, oh, I fell. First, This is great. I'm gonna love it. I'm all ready to get in my daytime. Yes, that was awesome. I'm gonna buy custom, and then I'm gonna buy new outfits up it. Right now. Okay. I'm gonna buy a new outfit slot. Outfit is TT. I don't know why, I just didn't think of a name. So here's some more. My hangout outfit is whenever. Well, this is my hangout outfit basically. Dude, it's raining out. And then clothing. Okay, and I have a little bit more time left. Okay, TT is TT is for my dance outfits. No. I'm going to stand all down here, just doing this. No. Black slacks. I'll go black slacks because oh yes! Yes. My outfit. My accessories. Yeah. Wear outfit. I'm gonna wear TT. Back. Yes, I guess, yeah. Oh dang, it's really raining. It's really, really, really raining. Oh my gosh, I wish I had